pakiusap ko na lang sa inyo, mawawala si Vlogcaster. Kung banggitin ko to, alam nyo naman kami sa Mindanao. Number 1, Francis Cheese Escudero, Centerways Construction and Development Incorporated. Number 2, Joel Villanueva, New San Jose Builders Incorporated. Number 3, Christopher Lawrence Go, ng ang company CLTG Builders, and CLTG stands for Christopher Lawrence T. Go. Ng tatay niya at kapatid niya. Number 4, Elizaldo Co of Ako Bicol. Alam nyo na. Sunwest, ang company, Sunwest Incorporated, Hightone Construction and Development Corporation, FS Company Builders and Supply. Number 4, Congressman Ferdinand Beltran of the Magbubukid Party List, nagtatanim ng pera. Ang pangalan, Third Star Builders Contractors. Number 6, Edwin Guardiola, CWS Party List. Ang company, Newington Builders, formerly E. Guardiola Construction, Laurel Development Corporation, S-Ang Construction and General Trading Incorporated. Number 7, number 8, pakiusap ko na lang sa inyo, mawawala si Vlogcaster. Kung banggitin ko to, alam nyo naman kami sa Mindanao, paano kami, anong patakaran ng mga politiko doon. Iba talaga dito, iba. Number 9, Ramon Jolo Revilla, Cavite First District, Construction Company, Graya Construction Corporation. According to the records ng PCIJ, again. Number 10, Congresswoman Lani Mercado of the 2nd District of Cavite. Ang construction na naman, Graya Construction Corporation, sister-in-law niya. Number 11, Agimat Party List Representative Brian Revilla, Construction Company, Graya Construction Corporation, again, anti niya may-ari. Number 12, One Rider Party List Representative Ramon Rodrigo Gutierrez, ang company, Alro Construction and Development Corporation. Number 13, Pusong Pinoy Party List Representative Jerny Jet Nisay, Congressman Jerny Jet Nisay. Pangalan ng company niya, JVN Construction and Trading. Number 14, Kalinga Lone District Representative Caroline Agyao, ang company, BHM Construction. Number 15, Albay 2nd District Representative Carlos Loria, ang company, Macapa Corporation. Number 16, Bulacan 2nd District Rep. Agustina Pancho, pangalan, CM Pancho Construction Incorporated. Number 17, Cristina Angeles, Tarlac 2nd District Representative, ang company, Northern Builders Construction. Number 18, Micaela Gonzalez, Representative of the Pampanga 3rd Congressional District. Ang company, AD Gonzalez Jr. Construction and Trading Incorporated. Yan. This is according to the records or to the expose of the Philippine Center for Investigative Journalism.